Pemirsa, Bali kejudi dados genah parikrama fotografi dunia. Putusan inucat ketureksain nenten wantah sida ngukuhang citra Bali pina ke genah seni miwah budaya nanging taler sida mewasana becik majeng sektor pariwisata.
Di Sebraban, Kecamatan Kediri, Kabupaten Tabanan, Mederbe Sili tunggil destinasi wisata kreatif Sanekantun ngelimbak becik. Wewidangan kreatif antuk jimbar petang da 4 hektar puniko, ngunggang indik keuripan seni harmonis antuk ngadungang seni, budaya, pendidikan, kebugaran, hiburan, miwa keuripan seni pule inspirasi saking alam antuk asiki ekosistem terintegrasi, kewentanan nuanu creativity city, ngukuhang male penaut pariwisata di Sebraban, saha pina kegenah, kreativitas saha inovasi, mendasar nilai-nilai budaya Bali.
I think from a tourism point of view, because if you look at Bali's landscape as from a global point of view, Bali has often been looked at from the lens of tourist destination, a party destination, a wedding destination. And Nuanu's commitment through Photo Bali Festival, through Art in Bali, is towards contributing to it being or reshaping its position as a creative destination. So I think that is something that we are slowly integrating with the local community, with the local creative community, and I think collectively we can really reshape how Bali is positioned within the contemporary art world sector, within Indonesia, Southeast Asia, and the global art community.
Melarapan acara inucap, Kaptiang Sidengunggahang Pulau Bali, dados destinasi wisata unggulan dunia saya nincap. Parikrama fotografi internasional, dados parikrama seni visual, tur anggen selah sejeroning nyokong penglimbakang pariwisata Bali. Bunga Widrayani, Bali TV.